it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I've got for you a Superdrug haul. Yay! Okay, so this month I've got a box full of goodies for you. You know I love a good Superdrug haul. I think this one's going to be a good one. I think I got some real bargains, some fantastic products, so I can't wait to show you. As ever, I picked up quite a few things on the Superdrug Star Buys, which I think are absolutely fantastic. They give you such good bargains, such good value for money, and they're great products. So I'll show you what I got from those. The Superdrug Star Buys swap over every Wednesday. I ordered this order pretty early on Wednesday because I saw the item, so hopefully I can get this video edited and up for Monday, so they actually will still be on, hopefully, these offers this time, and I can actually, you know, you can go and check them out for yourselves. But even if you don't check them out this week, they are definitely worth checking out every single week because there are some fantastic buys on there at a great price. Anyway, let me show you what I've got. Okay, so I'm going to start with an item that I've actually spoken about before. I picked up again the Superdrug Charcoal Toothpaste. It's just a really good toothpaste and Superdrug do it for a great price. This again was on the Star Buys, and let me just double check. Yes, this month I paid £1.47 for this. Its recommended retail is £2.99, but quite often you can get it on there at a really decent price. There's often offers on. And it's better than the competitors or just as good for a fraction of the cost. So I think it's a really good toothpaste. And along a similar vein then, I also picked up this month the charcoal mouthwash. I haven't used this before, so I can't really comment much on it, but it should be £3.99 at full price. However, I got this for £1.88 on the Star Buys deal. So them Star Buys are definitely worth checking out week by week. I'm hoping it'll be good because I've enjoyed using the toothpaste and other things in this range, so I'm excited to try this. So hopefully it will be really good, and for a great price it doesn't really matter if I'm not super duper impressed because I think I've got a bargain. Okay, the next item then you might see as being a little boring, but it's a necessity and I got them at a good price. I picked up some hand wash. Now these were 65p each and they retail at £1.39 with Superdrug, so I think that's a decent price for hand wash. I got one that's antibacterial, shea and honey, so I think that one's going to smell really nice. And this one is a moisture antibacterial hand wash. It didn't really say what it smells like, but I thought a moisture one will be good for your hands, and this one's going to smell great. So they are good to have in for, you know, keep it in the bathrooms and things. So yeah, really nice. And I like a good Superdrug product for a bargain, so yay. Okay, so the next items then are makeup and a little bit more exciting. I picked up a few bargains on the Star Buys. I've got some freebies and I've got one of my all-time faves. First then, I'll get this one out of the way. It's one of my favourites, as you well know, and I just wanted to stock up while, you know, I was doing an order. So I got the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I got this in the shade F5 because it's the one I've been using after my holiday, and I don't want the one I'm using now to run out and have to go to a lighter shade because I found that this one is working for me at the moment. So this, as you know, it's a staple in my makeup bag. It's one of my all-time favourite things ever. It costs £9, which I see as a great thing. The one I'm using now, I've been using for just over a month and it's still going. This one's just a backup, and yeah, you know, I love this thing. I won't bore you because I've discussed this many times. Okay, now the next few items that I picked up were on the Star Buys and I was so excited to see them on there. It's something I've wanted for a long time, but I haven't actually picked up yet, but now they were down to half price, so I thought, you know, now's the time, I'm gonna get them. I got the Imagination palettes. I've wanted these for so long and I just haven't been able to like warrant getting it because I have so many eyeshadow palettes and things, so much makeup in general, so I didn't want to spend, you know, full price, but these were on offer, £5 each on the Star Buys. Absolutely incredible. So I've definitely wanted to get my hands mostly excited for this eyeshadow palette for the longest time. And I've also got in here the highlighter and contour palette, I believe it is. So it's Highlight to the Moon, and obviously the eyeshadow palette here, which has lots of fantastic colours I am excited to try. I know I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but you know, you always need more. So yeah, these were £5. £5 each. Oh, wow. Actually, I'm going to open them. I'll show you them now. I haven't opened them yet. Excited. Oh, it's like, Oh wow, it's so shiny. It's like a beautiful purple. It's almost like holographic or like unicorn skin or something. Oh, that's so pretty. It's really nice. Okay, then inside, dun, dun, dun. Oh, here are our colours. Oh, look at those. I'll try not to blind you with the mirror. Wow. I've always been excited about the blue shade in there, and the shades in the middle are fantastic, like transition shades or base shades, and there's some really pretty colours in there. Yay, I'm excited about that. Okie dokie, and we're into this one. This one again is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, she's picked some really pretty palettes, hasn't she? Wow. Okay, and inside this, if I can get it open. Oh, there's the sheet. Here we go. I'll try and hide that for you. So here we got some really nice highlighters and some contour shades and some just general face shades. That's a useful palette to pack. It means you don't have to pack away loads of things if you're going away somewhere for the night. It means you've got quite a few things in one. So that's fantastic. I love these. Well done, Imogen. These are beautiful. I can't wait to try them. So that was actually everything that I bought, but I did manage to pick up a few freebies on the Superdrug buy, you know, so many and you get stuff for free. I love a good Superdrug freebie. Okay, so I can't actually remember. I don't know if you just had to put an order in or buy something makeup related or something. You got some Gypsy Shrine face jewels. Those are really pretty. I've actually got some of these from last year still, I think, but they're really, really nice and a great thing to get for free. So thank you, Superdrug, for that. This next one, I believe you had to have spent £15 on Revolution products to get this for free. And basically, obviously, I bought the foundation was £9 and then the two Imagination palettes were £5 each. So they're still included in this deal. So fantastic. I've got a palette for free and it is their Pretty Incredible palette and it looks pretty incredible. No, it's really pretty. Okay, here we go. They're really pretty shades. We've got like a highlightery shade. This one could maybe be a highlighter depending on your skin tone. And then we've got some absolutely stunning kind of shimmery tones. Really, really nice. It's a really nice warm toned palette for free, guys. That's so pretty. I really like it actually. Wow. Thank you, Superdrug. You always offer such great like freebies and things. So yeah, I'm over the moon with that. It's brilliant. Okie dokie then, so that's everything on this month's Superdrug haul. I think it was a great one this month. I paid around £23 I think for all of this, which is incredible. I've got two eyeshadow palettes, I've got like a highlighter and contour palette, I've got some foundation, hand wash, mouthwash, toothpaste, so much for so little. Thank you, Superdrug. I adore doing a Superdrug haul every month. I think the prices are amazing, they offer great products, and you know, you get some blinking good bargains. So yeah, that's everything. As ever, you know, check out the Superdrug star buys every week. Hopefully I'll have this up in time. You can check that out and you might be able to grab those Imagination palettes or the toothpaste or whatever while they're still on offer, because I think that's a fantastic bargain. The fact that I got two palettes there for £10, spend another £5, you'll get another one for free. Amazing. So guys, that's everything this month. Thank you for watching. As ever, if you've liked the video, hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. There's a giveaway coming very, very soon, so make sure you stick around. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.